Che, engabe le gathering le is still one of the gatherings esihlale siba nawo yini eminyakeni otsa kepha siya ku portfolio committee namhla sambeni sitowenta siphume sami, because that's the attitude the officials have. I don't know the minister, maybe he also have the same attitude. Why I'm saying so? Nothing is happening, che. Nyalo nje banelivalo ukuthi bala eParliament nabaphuma bathi bahlala phansi bamela another 3 months. That's how our parliament is operating. Litinyo lihamba lifika phi che. We are talking and saying the one and the same thing every day. Nothing is happening. Uma wasukuma che ungitshele kunye lokwendekile positively solo saqala ukukhuluma 2023 up to today kunye, there is nothing. Nothing che. Sikhulumile ngabo 60 years ecorrectional. Nanamhla solo bayangetela. Nana lokhu sikhuluma nje. Emaphepha akhomjeni yana. Bayasifuna kusayinelwa edigital abafunge emakhaya. Kunemakhulule emakhaya. Abafuni kuya emakhaya. Sakhuluma ngosingene. Siyaphuma next year iBC uphinde just beyisa. Stabe solo sikhuluma one and the same thing. What's happening?